How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to switch your search engine from Yahoo to Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys have just installed Chrome, like you got like a fresh PC, so by default, your default browser would be set to Microsoft Edge, and the search engine would be something like Yahoo or Bing, right? So if you guys want to switch that up, there are actually two ways to do it, which I'll show in this video. The first one being through the configuration settings for Google Chrome. And to do so, let me show you what I mean. So what you guys would need to do here is once you have Chrome open, you want to click on the three dots or the ellipses on the top right corner of your screen, right? Like so. And from here, you want to click on settings. Now, once you guys click on settings, it should take you to this whole new page where you get to configure Chrome's configuration. Okay, wait, it sounded weird. Basically, mess around with these settings on Chrome. And right away, you'll see on the left-hand side, you'll see that there's an option that says search engine. So we're going to click on this, and well, we actually get to switch it to whatever here. So by default, in some cases, if you guys just got a new computer, like I said, it would be set to something like yahoo.com or Bing, because it's on Microsoft Edge. And these settings would normally carry over when you install Chrome. So what you would need to do is click on this search engine used and select Google, and that should be it. Now it'll automatically save, so you should be good to go. Now the other method pertains to actually changing your Windows settings, which I'll show you right now. So what you guys would need to do is you want to click on the Windows key right here on the lower left side of the screen and type default browser. And this setting should come up. And here's where you actually get to change it. So you basically just want to click on this and set it to Google Chrome and instead of Microsoft Edge or Yahoo, assuming Yahoo has a browser. I don't really know. But yeah, that should be it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.